You do not need two grandparents to get the Jamaican citizenship. So someone contacted me yesterday asking for assistance with getting birth certificate for their grandparents because they're trying to get Jamaican citizenship by descent. The one grandparent doesn't have any last name on their birth certificate, and this is clients in the UK. This, I said before, happens a lot. The persons who went to UK in the 70s, a lot of them birth certificate doesn't have any last name because their father wasn't present at the time of their birth, and so the name could not be added. What this client failed to realize, though, is that you do not need two grandparents to get the Jamaican citizenship. You only need to have one grandparent be Jamaican, and you need the birth certificate for that one grandparent. Again, you do not need two Jamaican grandparents to become a Jamaican citizen. You need one Jamaican grandparent and one birth certificate, and it should have the last name. If the birth certificate does not have the last name, try to find the expired passport or the old passport and see if that has the last name on it. I am Gail of 876 Documents, and we assist Jamaicans no matter where in the world they are apply for most Jamaican documents like passport, birth certificate, and we assist with Jamaican citizenship, TRN, driver's license, driving abstract, and we correct errors on birth certificates. We do name change by deed poll. This is all in my profile. Check it out. Give us a call if you need assistance with any of these documents. Thank you for watching. Bye.